Alright guys, back on the job site after a 4-day, 5-day vacation. And we are in midweek 5 of the build. The Kubo is looking pretty dang good. Outlets are in, switches are in. This is the inside here. Got the can lights in. Our brother-in-law, Leo, who normally does scuba diving tours and snorkeling, is going to be our painter. So he's going to come in and finish all this. Oh, nice. Looks good. Wow, it looks really good. Wow. Yeah. Looking very good. We move in tomorrow. The yard all cleaned up. Coming around with the bricks to kind of match. And then we're going to go some steel up on top there. It'll be that high there. And then it's going to be maybe one more row going out that way and then steel on top. You guys are out here plugging away. It is extra humid here today. I think Panglao was just always humid. After being in Iligan for a couple of days where the weather was a little bit different. Oh wow. These guys are smooth coating it. Tiles are on the floor. Oh, look at that. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. They don't use bullnose tile here in the Philippines. They use these cats here. You maybe have seen this in other build videos, but that's what they do. They don't have the end cap type stuff. Hi Arnell, how are we doing? Looks very good, very good. Got the shower in there. Shelving unit.
It's okay, honey.
Yeah, it'll work, yeah. Okay.
Dito. Oh. Siguro ubos sa kuan. Hindi maigo sa amin. Pero ari na siguro
Water heaters down in there.
Ari na sa basig na may tawel holder ane. Ada na siguro.
Alright, let me get out of here. Here they are stringing the ropes up, keeping tarps on going. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can just, this is a perfect hole to see where the soil ends and where the limestone starts up. So you don't have much dirt. There's a big old root right there. So we got 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 11. They're starting on 11 holes, so they're halfway there. Got our water line coming into our CR here.
Cái này mình quay được một tô nào.
1,000 ka pinto. Ang kubito. Palit ka man kasi abiwan. Palit ka man kasi na. Bisaan karon ang mga kulit ng karon. Saan ako? 3,961. Now you put niya karon. Dito na kaya kung kan karon karon ko ay simento ay ano black. Hello black. Pila to hello black ingon ba? Kata pa nila. Pila to hello black Maria? Ah, 200. Oh, kaya na yung mga nagitong sapato ba? Ito ito ba? Okay sa mga. Oh. 200 na hollow block. 200 hollow block. Sila kako siminto, bano? 5 siminto. 4 ka baslet. Mura na yan? Ner, mura ka nito, Ner? Hollow block, siminto, ba? Pagkabilya diyan? Kabilya. Kabilya na po. Diba, Ner? Mura na yan. Kasi gamay ito. Napo, kuno. May ko, napo? Marang na.
Okay na ka. Sila yung mga.
Kami, sila na may ano. Jacinto. Jacinto, maybe. Ay, kailangan na. Kaning bas mo ikuan kay sa bus. Pego dito, no? Dito lang magdak ko. Bakit ko pa? Ano tayo istorya ito papel kay nay ato sa pado ba? Kasi yung mga may mo sila.
「